Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix resolution issues with Mecha Break. So if something looks wrong with your resolution and you'd like to fix that, the first thing that we're going to do is find out the resolution of our monitor. So I'm going to open up the settings of our PC, and then I'm going to go to System, select Display, and here under Display Resolution, next to Display Resolution, you'll find the recommended, the maximum resolution that you can have on your PC, and that is the resolution that we're going to use. So if my screen supports 1920 by 1080, then I'm going to go back into my game, open up the settings, and change that to the same resolution. So once we've done that and we apply, the resolution of the game should correspond to the resolution of our monitor. So the next thing that we're going to do, if that didn't work either, we're going to go back to setting and change the display mode. So for example, you could do windowed or full screen. So for example, if you do windowed, that might also help you with your issue. You could also do full screen if window doesn't work and see if that also helps. Then the next thing that you could do is check the upscaling settings of your graphics card. So you might have upscaling enabled or even disabled, and turning upscaling on or off might help you fix your problem. So for example, I have an AMD graphics card. You can enable or disable some upscaling options to see if that helps you. And so that's about it for all of the tips that I have for today. If you enjoyed this video and if it helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. But that's about it. Thank you for watching.